Hi, my name is Paul Rowe, and I am the Director of Bands at Apex Friendship High School. Welcome to second semester band, and let's get started. This is my contact information. Easiest way to get in touch with me is through email, pro@wcpss.net, or you could also use the school phone number and leave a message that way, and they will forward that on to me. This is my current class schedule. Second period is the intermediate band, which is mostly 10th graders. There are a few 11th and 12th graders in there. Third period is all freshman band. I'm not sure why the county calls it beginning band. Most of the students have been in band since middle school, 3 years. I wish they would just call this freshman band. And then fourth period honors band is mostly 11th and 12th graders. There are a few 10th graders and maybe a freshman in there. This is our weekly schedule. We are playing in class Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So the expectation is students would be prepared on their instruments, ready to play at the beginning of class. I will lead warm-ups, and we will work on the music throughout the week on those days, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tuesday and Thursdays are music theory and music listening. They do not need their instruments. And we will take notes, and we will do other things relating to theory and music listening. The expectation, though, is after we finish on all of these days, all 5 days, after we finish our 40 minutes of live instruction together, the assumption would be is that the next 40 minutes, they will continue to practice and get better on their instrument. So 40 minutes live instruction, 40 minutes continuing practice during asynchronous. Grades are determined this way. 50% of the grades are their recording assessments. And then the other 50% is for music theory test and music listening assessments. Again, recording assessments, we typically work on the music throughout the entire week, and with the recording submission assessment due by Sunday night. Music theory and music listening, a lot of times I'll have students upload notes, or they'll take a written test. And one of the nice things in Google Classroom is I will always upload teacher notes for students to go back and reference if they need that. And so let's just take a look at the Google Classroom site as parents, what you might need to do to navigate Google Classroom site. So here is second period band, but this would look the same for third period or fourth period. The very front page that you're seeing here are announcements, the very beginning. This box would say coming soon would be assignments that are due this weekend. So once I post that, it'll show up here for students. They get a quick check right there of what's coming. If students go up to this top tab here, it says class work. If they select class work, these tabs are all based by week. And so we have started the third quarter here. This is the week we are currently in, February 1st through the 5th. And so usually as we go throughout the week, I start adding assessments or assignments here. If we look at this first assignment that we had due this past weekend, this was a playing assignment on their minor scales. And what it tells me here is 26 students turned it in and 13 have still not turned it in, but the assignment is there. And if you did a quick look right here, you can see the students that have turned in assignments, their recording assignments, and that's where you would find that if the assignment is completed. Here is just a quick sample of what it looks like when I'm turning in teacher notes. Here's a sample of teacher notes that if students needed to go back and reference, we've been doing minor scales, they could go right here and find all the information we've talked about in class about minor scales if they need to reference that. So it's also right there in Google Classroom. It's kind of a nice place to find everything that we need. And so that is in classwork right up here. Parents, you could be added into the classroom if we get an email address and you want to add yourself. And so you could do that. And but these are the same for even the other 3 classes. If I go to third period class, it's the same type of thing. The classes are by week. And so you can do a quick reference for that for parents. And if I did this for fourth period, again, you get that same front page for announcements, and then click on this tab for classwork, and it takes you to the classwork. And that's where students find the assignments that they need and when they're due. Back to my presentation. We have a few after-school practices that we are working on. This is the month of February, and we've had it split between full band practice, concert band, and then we also have percussion practice. On the left is Mondays for full band, and on the right is percussion on Wednesday. So we're looking to have those as we go through this month of February, and then we'll probably do a new calendar of practices, probably the same days, maybe the same format as we hit March. We get into March, and then just to close things out, these are my quotes for band. In order to improve, we must practice every day, and as with a lot of things, you get out of it what you put into it. And thank you so much for your time. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And have a great day.